Claude has taken control of my computer, and you won't believe what it can do. This isn't just another AI update. It's a game changer that could revolutionize how we interact with technology. Imagine an AI capable of not just performing tasks, but learning and adapting to its environment, acting as a personal assistant with a mind of its own. Today, we'll dive into the shocking capabilities of Anthropic's latest release, Claude, and explore the implications of giving AI this level of control over our digital lives. For the second time this year, Anthropic has outshone OpenAI by launching a new state-of-the-art large language model, outpacing GPT-4 on every major benchmark. And it's not just a slight edge. Claude is now the king of software engineering benchmarks, solving 49% of GitHub issues it encounters. This is a massive leap forward, but with great power comes great responsibility and risks. Alongside impressive performance metrics, Anthropic unveiled what might be the most dangerous feature in AI history: computer use. This allows Claude to take complete control of your mouse, keyboard, and monitor, executing tasks like filling out spreadsheets, logging into accounts, and navigating your desktop. Sounds incredible, right? But let's not kid ourselves. What could possibly go wrong? This technology enables Claude to manage mundane tasks like updating patient charts for doctors or handling your Robinhood account. Just think about it, an AI that can manipulate your finances at the click of a button. In this video, we're putting this mind-blowing technology to the test and seeing how far it can go. Claude recently got an upgrade to its Sonnet 3.5 model, and the results are staggering. It beats GPT-4 in reasoning, programming, and visual QA, only narrowly losing to Gemini 1.5 in math. But here's the kicker. Claude's new capabilities redefine how we approach tasks on our computers. I immediately jumped in to explore this feature. The first task? Finding the SVG code for the Fireship logo. I thought it would fall short, but it actually delivered. Here's how it works. Claude prompts itself in an infinite loop, performing actions and analyzing results until it arrives at the solution. It takes a screenshot, recognizes the Firefox icon, navigates to the website, and retrieves the logo code, all autonomously. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. I also tasked Claude with building a net worth calculator in Excel. It not only input the data, but also created formulas for the calculations. For fun, I asked it to open Paint and draw a horse. The result? A surprisingly decent piece of art created with actual strokes. No AI tricks here. However, this technology isn't perfect. At one point, Claude got distracted and started browsing photos of Yellowstone National Park. I get it. Coding can be tedious. But the potential for misuse is significant. If this tool manages your bank account, it might impulsively invest your savings in a meme coin driven by AI hype. Now, here's the catch. I'm not using this tech on my main computer. Claude runs in a safe sandbox environment using Docker. You can try it on your machine, but be cautious. It burns through tokens at an alarming rate. Each action costs money, with 1 million tokens priced at about $15. Claude is designed to use output from one prompt as the input for the next, often running in a loop until it gets the result you asked for. Or crashes, which happens frequently. Claude is undoubtedly the best model for real-world computer tasks, according to the OS World benchmark. Yet it's still not at human-level capability, and getting there will require considerable training. The main bottleneck? It needs a hefty amount of compute time and tokens for tasks we humans can accomplish in seconds. The prompts I've shown you took between 5 to 10 minutes each. Looking ahead, companies like Amazon, Google, and Microsoft are investing in nuclear power to fuel massive AI data centers. Soon, we might see these chain-of-thought action models integrated into our computers, including robots that can drive, build, perform medical tasks, and even prepare meals. The future holds immense promise, but also potential peril. One day, we may wake up to realize that our relationship with AI has shifted. In the vision of Claude Shannon, we could find ourselves in a position similar to that of dogs with humans, dependent and secondary. Are we ready for that future? Stay tuned, because this is just the beginning of an AI revolution that will redefine everything we know about technology.